नमस्कार सभी को। How are you students? I hope you all are fine. Today I'm going to start this new chapter, class 3. Our chapter name is The Magic Garden. Let's start. The Magic Garden. The Magic Garden. Do you know meaning this? Magic. Magic means jadoo. Garden. Garden means park. And garden means park. P-E-R-K, park. Okay. So let's start this chapter. The magic garden was in a school playground. Playground. The magic garden was in a school playground. It was very pretty. Sunflowers and roses stood high against the wall. There were also marigolds, poppies, and pansies. The sunshine fell on this garden more than on any other, and the flowers danced and sang happily. They said to one another, "We have hundreds of little gardeners." They were the children from the school. One sunny morning, the flowers were talking to the birds. I love all the children, but I love the dear little ones most of all, said a poppy. Poppy is a flower name, okay? Flower. I like them to bring their watering cans and water my thirsty roots. You know, parts of plant in EVS topic, parts of plant, roots, stem, fruits, flowers, branches, leaves. Okay. Yes, children, you can see in this picture. Okay, students, you can see in this picture this flower. Tell me, sunflowers. These are, you can find this, roses. Okay, and this red color flower is poppies, and here also poppies. Okay, and this blue and yellow color, this is pansies. This flower is pansies. Okay, so children are playing in the playground. This is playground and this is school. Okay, next. Yes, said the marigolds, the boys are good to us too. They dig the ground so well. Okay, students, you can see in this picture, children are watering the roots of plants. Or next, we love the little children, said a tiny birds. They are kind and they bring bread for us. Bread, you know, जो हम खाना खाते हैं, bread. All the flowers said, we must work hard to make our dresses very pretty. Pretty, देखो बिफोर एक पहली बार भी pretty वर्ड आया था ना, pretty means beautiful, सुंदर. For the children will be here soon. The sun said, I will help you also, for nothing pleases me better than to see the children running about in the golden sunshine. Golden means sunhera, and pleases means prashan hona, prashan. Sunshine, sunlight, dhoop. Suddenly, the children came out laughing and singing. Okay, हंसते और गाते हुए बच्चे आते हैं बाहर. And the flowers stopped their songs to listen to them. Oh, look at the tall sunflower. said one child, and the sunflower lifted its head very proudly. Another child said, I love the marigold in its golden dress. The marigold smiled happily. It was indeed a magic garden because it had fairies too. Fairies means बच्चों परियां होती हैं. आप देख सकते हैं इस ग्राउंड में, प्ले ग्राउंड में आपको यहाँ दो परियां दिखाई दे रही हैं जिसके साथ बच्चे खेल रहे हैं. They danced and sang sweet songs which only the children could hear. After a time, the fairies came out dancing and talked with the children. Their dresses were made of flowers and their wings of sunshine. The magic garden was quiet that night. The flowers and birds were asleep and dreaming of the next day when the children would come again. Now we will see new words. Magic. Magic. Magic means, you know, magic. Magic means jadoo. Magic. Garden. Garden means park. Gardeners. A person who walks in garden is called gardener. Playground. खेल का मैदान. We can see in our school. Sunshine. Sunlight. धूप. Golden. Golden means सुनहरा. सोने के कलर का जो होता है, रंग जो होता है सोने का, golden. Okay. Dreaming. Dream means sapna. Students, you can see in this picture, these are sunflowers. These are roses. And these are marigolds. This is yellow color flower, marigolds. And this is poppies, poppies flower. And this is pansies flower. Okay. Okay, now we discuss about new words. Magic, garden, gardeners, playground, sunshine, golden, dreaming. Now we will use this word in a sentence. Magic, meaning tricks that seem to be impossible. Okay, जब हम जादू देखने जाते हैं ना सर्कस में, एक्सेट्रा सम प्लेसेस पे, तो कुछ ट्रिक्स होती हैं उनकी. ओके. गीतिका परफॉर्म्ड अ मैजिक इन द क्लास. द विंडोज स्टार्टेड टू गेट क्लोज बाय मैजिक. नंबर 2, गार्डन. A piece of ground for growing flowers, fruits and vegetables. Okay, this one park. We can develop a garden in our house also if we have place. Okay, अगर हमारे घर के पास या घर में जगह है तो हम भी एक छोटा सा गार्डन बना सकते हैं. उसमें अपने फेवरेट फ्लावर्स उसमें ग्रो कर सकते हैं, लगा सकते हैं. वेजिटेबल्स, फ्रूट्स एंड वी कैन केयर देम, को अच्छे से ध्यान रख सकते हैं उनका, पानी दे सकते हैं उनको. ओके, एंड दिस इज़ वेरी गुड टाइम. आई ऑलवेज वॉक इन द गार्डन इन द मॉर्निंग. द गार्डन हैज़ फ्रेश ग्रीन ग्रास टू वॉक ऑन. ग्रीन ग्रास जो धूप जो होती है ना, जिस पर हम चलते हैं. गार्डनर्स, समवन हु टेक्स केयर ऑफ अ गार्डन. एग्जाम्पल, द गार्डनर्स टेक गुड केयर ऑफ द फ्लावर्स इन आवर गार्डन. Had a fight with my gardener. Playground, an outdoor area for children to play. Example, I was playing cricket in the playground. The playground was very clean in the morning. Sunshine, direct sunlight. The sunshine was very soothing yesterday. There is a warm sunshine outside. Golden, shining like gold. He had curly golden hair. The queen was wearing a golden crown. Dreaming, thoughts or thoughts or images that come in mind when you are in sleep. I was dreaming of a trip to America. She was dreaming of a grand birthday gift she got. Okay. Students, now we'll discuss about reading is fun. Question first. Why did the flowers love the little children? Why did the flowers love the little? Question 2. Why did the birds love the children? Number 3. Name 5 flowers growing in the magic garden. What sounds could the children hear in the garden? Okay, so we see their answer please here. Why did the flowers love the little children? The flowers love the little children as they bring watering cans and water their thirsty roots. Number 2. Why did the birds love the children? The birds love the children as they bring bread for them. They bring bread for them. 5 flowers growing in the magic garden. First one, remember marigolds, sunflower, roses, poppies and pansies were the 5 flowers growing in the magic garden. Number 4, what sounds could the children hear in the garden? Answer, the children could hear the sweet song of the fairies in the garden. The children could hear the sweet songs of the fairies in the garden. Next is talk time. Roses. You can see in this picture. I like roses. I like roses. Most roses are red. Some are white. Some are yellow. Are there blue roses? I have not seen any blue roses. Which one is your favorite flower? Learn its name in English. Favorite flower. Which one is your favorite flower? This answer you will write in your notebook. Next, say loud. जोर से बोलना. Say loud. Little. 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 Happily. 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 Slippery. 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 People. 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 Sleepily. Sleepily. Thirsty. Thirsty. Purple. 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 Proudly. Proudly. Pretty. Pretty. Word building. Name 2 words in each petal which you see in a garden. Insects, trees, flowers, tools, birds. Tools means जो गार्डन में यूज करते हैं जो टूल्स. ओके, सी insects, caterpillar, grasshopper, trees, mango, apple, birds, sparrow, crow. Tools, hammer, screwdriver, flowers, rose and marigold. Okay students, this is our chapter completed, and now this is for your homework. Team time, make a flower scrapbook. You can make a flower scrapbook. Collect 5 flowers. You can collect more flowers. Put each flower carefully between the pages of an old book. Place some heavy books on top of the old books. Leave it for some days. Stick the pressed flowers carefully in your scrapbook. Write the name of each flower. This is your homework, this chapter. And imagine you have a big garden. What would it look like? Draw a picture here. आपको ड्रीम गार्डन जो है, आप जैसा सोचते हैं गार्डन में कैसे फ्लोर्स होने चाहिए, कौन से प्लांट्स होने चाहिए, कौन से ट्रीज होने चाहिए. So you can draw here in this place. Okay. And this question answer, whatever we discussed in this video, I will provide a link to download. You can download from the description from this video. Thank you, and I wait for your comment. So please give your feedback about this video. Thank you. Namaste.